In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import Excel or CSV file in phpMyAdmin. First things first, you want to head over to the myPHP or your local host on web browser. Inside, we will take into our dashboard right here, on which you have to select the import button. Now you will be able to see this on the columns that we have or under tabs. You can just simply click on it, and inside this section, you just want to navigate through file to import, click on the choose file option, and then you want to simply open up your CSV file. After clicking on it, it will show a message if the file that you imported have any problems. For example, if it says invalid column 1, it means that you have a specific problem on that specific column. If not, you have successfully enabled or imported your CSV file. Scroll down and click on the import button. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.